Hello everyone, welcome in this new series in which we will be extending the Laravel Nuxt Authentication series. And the way we're going to do that is with Laravel Socialite. And the biggest reason for that is because we can easily integrate new login clients like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, you name it. And as you can see, it's going to be really easy to implement this. All you have to do is fill in the stuff in the env, copy this down in the services.php, in the config/services.php. Then you change it to maybe something like Twitter, add in these details, and you'll be ready to go. So that's all very easy and nice to do, but let's demonstrate what's going on here. So if I click login or register, these do the same. They're going to the same callback, and if there's no account, it will create an account for you, and if there is an existing account, it will log you in. So I'm going to log in with GitHub. I'm going to authorize this, and just like that, we're logged in. Very nice, very easy and straightforward. So if I just sign out again and demonstrate something like Google, it has logged me in as well. The reason for not asking permission or anything is because I'm already logged in and with one account, so it doesn't actually let me choose an account. Alright, so that's all nice and easy. And if you're new in this series, if you haven't followed the previous series, the Laravel Nuxt Authentication series, and you still want to tune in and not watch all the older episodes, you can do so by just visiting this GitHub repo I created. I will leave a link to that in the description. And what you want to do is go to clone or download, copy this link, and then you want to go into your projects directory, git clone the thing, and once it's cloned, you want to cd into the project. Set it up like you would do with any Laravel project. I'm not going to go over that process right now, but just to show you what you need to do with the client, you need to cd into the client directory and just run npm install. And once that is loaded, you're going to run npm run dev, and that is going to start the Nuxt server and the Nuxt client and everything. And then when you go to localhost port 3000, you will see the project up and running, and everything should be working. So if it's going to start here, alright, there we are. So then you should have the Nuxt app, but without these three buttons. So I hope you're gonna like these new series. If you want to tune in, please subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.